Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, the 5th of December. This is our weekly recap. I put that out there for free. If you want to join us, link in the description below. What can I tell you about this week? It's not been the easiest of weeks for sure. The last one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 trading days have not been easy. We're stuck in a rut. This market doesn't really want to go anywhere. For the last 7 sessions before today, we were kind of stuck in this little box. We tried to break out of it today off a PCE number that was basically in line, and then we came back down and just missed the all-time high on the SPY. Why are we doing this? I don't know. But the market likes to do this right now. It's in this mode where you get this choppy start, then it explodes one way or the other, reverses, comes back, and then it goes back to sleep until the close. It's just kind of how we're trading here. But that said, we got within, oh, I don't know, what did we get within today? A little over a buck of the all-time high. I mean, the market's right there. It just doesn't want to give it easily. Overall, things still remain constructive as we go into next week and we have the Fed meeting. The Qs, same thing, not quite as strong. The IWM just missed the all-time high. The Dow also very close. Things look good. Energy, not a bad day there. The ETF split, by the way, 2 for 1. The financials continue to hold up, whether it's JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs that hit a new all-time high. Bank of America, new many-year high. Citigroup, new 20-plus year high. They still look good. What else is going on out there? The SMHs, just off the all-time high. NVIDIA out of the gate. NVIDIA out of the gate, tried to pop, couldn't, needs to get above the 21-day. AMD provided a nice trade today, got to the 21-day and the 50-day there and got rejected again. Intel, nice bounce back day, but came off. Yeah, it's just kind of a quiet day. Micron getting a little bit of a pop here today, back up. Overall, they look good. Crypto, Bitcoin remains lethargic, coming back down. Just out of curious, Ethereum also coming back down. Hood, long a couple of January calls on this one. Nice couple days, come back down today. Coin has not been able to regain the 200-day. Just kind of the nature of things right now. Microsoft got unduly beat up this week. So on Wednesday, report out by the information, which has been denied, that Microsoft is lowering their AI revenue targets. Microsoft came out and denied this, but didn't matter. The stock has not yet recovered. One of my losses on the week was trying to play this for a bounce. But overall, back at the 8-day, we'll see if it can go. Amazon remains absolutely hated. Tesla's had a great week. We traded this a lot this week. Nice 3-day move here and is coming up close to the 52-week high. Meta, another one. I'm still long some calls on this one. Gets above the 50-day. You have the gap there at 680.96, and then boy, can it run. So we'll keep our eyes on that one. Apple digesting here on the 8-day. Google still holding the 8-day and looks good. Palantir, nice push today above the 50-day, breaking to the upside. Salesforce has had a real nice move for those following me. I own shares. I uncovered them on earnings the day after earnings for a nice win. And it's running rampant here and looks absolutely fabulous as we go into next week. Looking for a retest of that 267 level. See where it does from there. Boeing had the news early this week, had a nice big pop and is trading inside of it. Now it needs to get above the 50-day. Caterpillar, new all-time highs. Walmart has been on absolute rampage, up 8, 9 days in a row, whatever it is. I mean, this thing looks like a tech stock. We saw some interesting action in some smaller names like iRobot, because the Trump robotic legislation is going to save them, even though they just make vacuums. I mean, kind of ridiculous, but is what it is. And SoFi did a 1.5 billion offering, got beaten up, but coming back. Oklo also did a 1.5 billion offering. What am I missing here, guys? Let me look at what we traded this week. We talked NVIDIA, Palantir, Boeing, Amazon, Hood. Yeah, kind of covered there. Anyway, so quite the week here. If I'm gonna do charts, it'll be on Sunday. If I don't do charts, I'll do a quick video for you guys. And for members, I think we're targeting the 27th. So first of all, for members on Monday after the close at 4 o'clock, we have our webinar with Doug about the Ethereum trades. And then on the 27th, I think we're going to do our year and ahead webinar and what we're looking for. So with that said, I hope everybody's good. If you want to join us, link in the description below, and we'll catch you guys all live in the room on Monday AM.